Hello my friends, it's time for another quad race. This time I thought I'd highlight two features. One is a split timer. Eric built a split timer that communicates wirelessly back to the main RotorHazard race timing system. It calls out our split time as we go by the halfway point in the course. The other thing that I did was install two stationary video cameras, one aimed at the start gate and one aimed along the course near the drop gate. In addition to these two features, I also hooked a mic up to my computer and recorded the bantering of the pilots as we were racing. So I hope you enjoy this video.
Jelly side down, Race 2, take 2. Alright, here we go. What's that one for? I heard that. Yeah. Didn't sound happy.
David split 27.6. ET split 30.4.
No, not yet.
Tim split 31.4.
No, almost had it, man.
Monty, I didn't hear your split.
I don't know why.
It's me,
David, lap 1, 50.0.
I was right behind somebody.
You're right behind me.
ET, lap 1, 57.5. Monty, lap 1, 58.1. Monty split 32.6.
It's a little late for that, isn't it?
David split 25.6.
Oh, you
1 minute. ET split 30.4. David, lap 2, 47.5. "30 seconds. ET, lap 2, 57.6. David split 26.1.
Still no video.
10 seconds.
Whoa!
Yeah, someone got my way.
Race time.
Whoa, my.
David, lap 3, 47.9. Race done. Winner is David.
Nice
Monty,
job, Dave.
lap 2, 125.7. ET split 30.6.
I went down through the drop
I was
gate.
literally
And
trying
then
to
I went
see
down
video,
so
and
close
I
to the
caught
tall grass, my prop sucked me right into the top grass.
ET, lap 3, 57.3.
Switched off. I've been watching you. It's temperamental.
Good racing, Dave.
I took a breath now. Held my breath for 3 minutes.